So here we have a question whereby we have 2 plus 2 open bracket 2 plus 2 all squared, and we want to find the answer to that. So this takes us into the order of mathematical operations called BEMDAS or BODMAS, but I prefer BEMDAS. B for brackets. So whatever in the brackets, we do it first. E for exponents. Another word for exponents is indice. Another word, a very popular word we know it to be, is power. Okay. And then you go on to the multiplication.
BEMDAS.
I know we commonly know it as BODMAS, right?
Yes.
But I rather say BEMDAS for the E for exponents. Exponents is the power.
Okay.
D, you do your division. A for addition. And S for subtraction. But you must also be aware that multiplication and division, they can go hand in hand. They can go interchangeably, and subtraction and addition can go interchangeably. So I'll put multiplication and division there, stick it together, and addition and subtraction, they can go interchangeably, but they keep it in that way to help with the acronym. So let's start with what is in the bracket first. Okay, so let's do that. Let me just type it there. Right, so in the bracket we have 2 plus 2 open close bracket, 2 plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And outside we have a square.
Square.
Okay, so we're going to apply BEMDAS, commonly known as BODMAS. But I prefer use BEMDAS for the E. So when we look at this, we go and we focus inside the bracket first. Start with whatever is in the bracket. So what do we have inside of the bracket?
2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. After you are done, you move to what next?
To exponents.
Exponents. Another word for exponent is?
Indices.
Or the power. So the power we have there is squared, right?
Squared, yes.
So that is 4 squared. 4 squared is 4. 4 squared is 60. Okay, so yes. And this is a times, so that will be 2 times 60. Anytime you have a number in front of a bracket, it's multiplication. Yeah, whenever you have a number in front of a bracket, there's an invisible times there. Okay, it is not written, but it's multiplication. That's
only for algebra.
No. Once you have a number in front of a bracket or a letter in front of a bracket, there's a times there. Yeah, okay. Automatically. So we have done our exponents. What next are we heading to?
Multiplication.
There's a multiplication. So we have to multiply 2 times 16. That will give us how much? No calculator there. Okay. You want to write it on your book? Do the calculation?
Yes, sir.
So do it on your book quickly. Try not to use the calculator. Say that again.
32.
Good. So 2 times 16 is 32. Okay. And then we can move on now to the what next?
To the division is.
But then there's no division. So what next?
We have to go to addition.
So 2 plus 42 will give us 34. So the answer is 44, which of course
So it's first is saying 2 plus 2.
Mm-hmm.
You got the answer, which is 4. Then you square in 4. And then below you say 2 plus 2 times 16. And
but there you have to do multiplication before you add. Okay, so don't put 2 plus 2 is 4. You can't 2 plus 2 is 4 there, right? You must multiply first.
2 plus 16 is the 42, and then you say
And then
32 plus 2 to get 44.
So the answer is B.
Alright.